Hello friends, in the analyst video, we will be covering about Polycab. It is a new company that got listed in 2019, as you can see on the chart. And I have opened daily time frame chart currently, and I have drawn two trend lines in this upper and lower one. So the upper one trend line, if we see, it is a support line for the stock, and it had took support at multiple areas at this near this, and now the stock is approaching this particular level, as you can see here. So it is approaching the support line because of a small correction or small dip in the market. And currently the stock had corrected around 11% from its all-time high level. So this is a small correction in this particular stock, and it is approaching this particular support level on a daily time frame chart. The second trend line is drawn for this particular VIX. This is particularly the noise or some operator gap in this particular stock. Because of this, the stock had formed a VIX in last 1 year, and I have drawn the similar trend line, and it can be other support level for this particular stock in Polycab. So as of now, the support for this particular stock will be at 1760, and the next support will be at 1670 in this particular stock. So these two support lines are there for Polycab India, and a trader can look to add this particular stock in dips for their short-term trading particular stock for their investment. So currently I'm removing all these trend lines, and so the stock was in downtrend from this particular level. And after this downtrend, we will plot the Fibonacci retracement. It went a bit corrected, but from correction. So after this particular correction, the stock had went up. So we will consider this particular low and this particular high in this case. So as of now, as you can see, the Fibonacci retracement level 23.6% comes at 1754 in this particular stock, and then it is at 1580. So these levels can be watched out if this particular if Polycab comes at this particular level and forms some kind of reversal pattern like doji or hammer, or suppose a strong bullish candle near this particular line level, which can be bullish engulfing, then a trader can also look to use that opportunity to add this particular stock. Use this Fibonacci and how to use this. So I will just open one chart which I have shared on Sunday, which is Alkyl Amines. So the stock had given decent returns in short term. And we have already done a partial profit booking at around 17%, 16 to 17% profit. So I will now plot Fibonacci retracement on hourly time frame. So this was the low. This is perfectly the support level support that stock had took, which is 50% Fibonacci retracement, which is 4167, and then the stock had rebounded. So after this small correction, if one would have took at this current price, then probably one would have one would be in the profit of around 7% in this particular stock in just intraday. So this is how Fibonacci retracement works in particular stocks, and a trader can definitely use this in their trading, short-term or positional trading. So this is all about analysis of Polycab. Fundamental analysis, 1,000 or around 27,000 crores. The book value is 319 and current price is 1800. So that means the price to book is around 6x. If we check the profit and loss, the company's profit is increasing year on year. sales and profit are increasing. The company EPS is increasing, and company had paid the dividend in last 3 years. If we check the balance sheet, the company's reserves is increasing and the borrowings is decreasing. Here you can see 856 crores. It had reduced to 249 crores. Again, it had reduced from last year. But if we check the price to the debt to equity, then it will be hardly 1% in this case. And we can see the company is virtually debt free or almost a debt free company, which is having just 1% or 0.01 as a debt to equity. So which is very less, and reserves is increasing more compared to the borrowings which the company has. So the company is fundamentally strong. If we check investors, it has reduced into June 2021, which is almost 2 years. But on the contrary, if we see the FIs have increased their holding from 3.3% to 6.5%, which is a good sign for the company. FIs are buying stocks. So that means the company is shareholding good as well. Overall, fundamentally, the company is good. The one investor should wait for appropriate support level that the stock has based on the Fibonacci retracement or the support line, and one should for short-term or positional trade. So this is all about the Polycab India. If you have learned anything from this video, and if you want more such videos, then you can like this particular video and you can subscribe to our channel so that you will get getting notified for any videos that we upload. There is a disclaimer also with this video.